So I'm heading out to work right now. This is a 3-day trip. I have one leg tonight. I don't get to my destination until 1:30 in the morning. Right now it's warm where I'm at, and where I'm going is gonna be 40 degrees. It's just gonna be colder in my, yeah, it's gonna be cold for me. I think they say it's gonna have a little wind, but I don't know. So I'm gonna throw my garbage out and head to the car because I'm like 3 minutes late to the car. So I hope I don't get the slow person today, because every time I'm late, a little bit late, I always get a slow person. So I hope I don't get it tonight, that person tonight. So I'll talk to you guys later. Hey guys, so I just got into my hotel room, and so I was in another room, and come to find out that the whole entire floor is under renovation because someone, I guess smoke or whatever, set the alarm off, and the water messed up the whole rooms on that floor. And they're doing construction tomorrow, and the guy, placed the floor, me and my crew members, the floor where they're gonna do construction at 9 o'clock in the morning. So I was like, yeah, it's not gonna work for us because you guys gonna be doing drilling and stuff, and we're gonna be waking up, and we only here for 12 hours. So can you have me switch over to another room, please? So and I'm switching up to another room, which this is the one I'm in now, but 2 doors down from me, they have construction in that room too, but it's not that close to me that I can hear the drilling and stuff like that. So today I was on my flight, which is so weird. A passenger came on, and she was in a tights, but the tights was actually literally see-through, like see-through, completely see-through. So I went to her and I was like, ma'am, I don't know if you know, but you know what is, we can see everything. She's like, oh yeah, yeah, yeah. And I was like, so when you're walking around the cabin, I think you maybe want to cover, you know what, cover downstairs, because yeah, people can take pictures of that. And actually no, they will take pictures and post on social media. She's like, really? And I'm like, yeah, I mean, yeah, man. uh yes, they will, and they will take videos too. I'm sorry, but yeah. She's like, oh, okay. Like, the expression that she shows seems as if she already knew that her everything was showing downstairs. I'm like, why don't you cover yourself, put a sweater around you or something, like, you know what I mean? I mean, you're traveling with your daughter, like, that's your private area. Like, why would you just expose, like let me tell you, it was see-through. You see everything, like literally everything. And I was like, I don't want to see all that. I don't even want to look at mine, but just look at yours. No, I don't want to see all that. I don't think nobody should see all that in public like that. But that was just crazy. But definitely, guys, check out the Flight 10 101 video that's I'm gonna start doing to break things down to you guys, so you guys could have a full understanding about pay and stuff like that. But this is gonna be the vlog for tonight. I'll check back with you guys in the mañanas. Hey, good morning, good morning. Well, actually, it's not morning, it's afternoon right now, but it's my morning. So I was off yesterday and today. I came from a 3-day trip. I didn't do any vlogging on that three-day trip at all. I was just so tired. Like, before that 3-day trip, I was off for 1 day and then I was back on. So I just guess I didn't feel like vlogging. But yesterday, I didn't even go anywhere. I stayed in the house. I stayed in bed all day. I literally only had one meal yesterday. Only had lunch, and I had lunch around like 2, and that was it. Day trip, it was just a lot of turbulence. On the last leg, we did a 5-hour flight, and before that, it was a 2.5-hour flight, and all the 5-hour and the 2.5-hour flight was all turbulence. So I guess because of that, yesterday my body just felt like I don't know, it felt like my stomach's in knots, and like all my intestines like shift to another place or whatever. I don't know, it just felt weird. My entire body just felt so weird.
and I didn't feel like going anywhere or anything like that. So I just rest my body. I just needed my body to kind of like recuperate from all that turbulence that I had. And I didn't even really feel like eating. I know I had to eat because I didn't eat anything all day, so I ended up eating lunch just because. And so today I decided that I need to get up out of the bed. One day is enough because I'm back tomorrow. Tomorrow I have training tomorrow. So our company is giving us new iPads, and because of that we have to go for training, which is like a 10-hour training, which I don't know why it's 10 hours, but 10-hour training. We only get paid for 4 hours. People like ask me if I love my job. I love my job. The thing is that God gave me this job. I need to know the reason why he gave me this job. And for me, I don't look at stuff now. I look at long-term stuff. And long-term, everything is good long-term. So it's always a give and take when it comes to flight attendant and when it comes to different companies and stuff like that. We have to dress business casual and we have to be on time. If we're late, too bad, so sad, you ain't getting in. When it comes to flight attendant, a lot of times at interview, they want to make sure that you are able to cope by yourself, because you're literally by yourself on your own entire trip. Yeah, you have your captain, which is the head, and you have your lead flight attendant. But other than that, you're really by yourself. You may have to make your own decisions. Get my thickum shake. This is 700 calories. Since I didn't eat anything yesterday, I'm trying to fill up by the calories. I haven't been in the gym in a few days. I'm gonna go back tonight. I do have to go pick up my contacts from VisionWorks, and shout out again to VisionWorks because I love them. This is not a sponsor video for VisionWorks at all, but I've been just using them for many years, and no matter what state I go to, they always have good eye doctors there. Yeah, I was planning on going to Walmart to pick up some packaging. Walmart sent me an email. They sent me an email a few days ago that my package arrived and is ready for pickup. So a couple of minutes ago, they sent me an email saying that my package is not ready for pickup, and I was like, what the heck? Did you give my package to someone else because I didn't come early to pick it up? Like, good morning, everyone. So it is time for me to go to my training. And the training is basically they're giving us new iPads and we have to do a whole bunch of stuff on the iPad. So that's what the training is about. 10 hours today. We do get in between lunch like 10 minutes. We get like 10 minutes breaks, an hour lunch, blah, 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 and all that good stuff. We're only getting paid for 4 hours, so the rest of the time we are just there for free. And y'all still want to become a flight attendant? Yeah. Ribs at a grocery store yesterday, so I have ribs and salad for lunch. And then those are snacks. I'm hoping all those snacks are good enough for me, and then I have me a coconut water and a regular water. And they do give us like, a lot of times they do give us like little snacks and stuff to chunk on. So hopefully that will be good for me. I do remember I have to bring my charger just in case my phone needs charging. I did laundry last night, so when I come home, only thing I have to do is just pack and cook some stuff for my trip tomorrow. I start a trip tomorrow morning. I think it was around 11 in the morning. It is, I believe it's a 3-day. Oh, so it was a 4-day trip, and last month I ended up working, I don't know if you guys remember that video, I ended up working a day extra into my day off because the plane wasn't working right. So we had to cancel that flight and we ended up getting a room, and it went over into my day off. So I told them to put that day off on a trip that I have, which is this trip, which is supposed to be a 4-day, and I'm not working the last leg, so I'm coming home on the 3rd day. So this is the outfit for today. I'll have to turn the phone sideways, guys. So this is it. Yep, that's what I'm working with. Okay, guys, so I am here at the building, and I am an hour early. I didn't even know this sucker was like literally not too far away, and I thought, okay, it's Monday, it's gonna be traffic and all that kind of good stuff. No, there was no traffic, so I got here within 16 minutes. I'm so mad that I got here early. So what I'm doing right now is charging my phone in the car, and I probably will take an hour nap. How about that? I mean, I'm early, so why not just take an hour nap, since I'm gonna be in the building and they're gonna be talking to us all day long. And we, like us flight attendants, when you talking to us for so long, we kind of like tune out after a while. And I think that's why the company did this, because I mean, I'm pretty sure they could send a video and be like, okay, this is what you gotta do, this is what you gotta do. But they know that if they do a video and send it to us, we're not gonna watch it, because we'll be like, oh, all right, yeah, whatever. You really not gonna watch it. I don't know, maybe because we're so like, I watch it when I want to watch it, like, you know what I mean, like that type of stuff. But I think that's why they're like, okay, we're gonna put this on their schedule. They're gonna get paid for 4 hours, and if they're late, they're gonna get in trouble because it's on their schedule. So once something is on our schedule, yeah, we just we do what the schedule says we need to do. Like, that's how we're gonna get our coins. So we just do what the schedule said we need to do. That's why we are here today. I'm like, I don't think it takes 10 hours to download some software to a tablet and teach us how to use a tablet. I mean, we have iPads and we have iPhones, and that's difficult in itself. So if we can figure that out, I think we'll be okay. But, you know, I guess we also some special flight attendants. They have to, you know, do the whole shebang. But, okay, whatever. I'm here. Early for the party, though, but I'm here. Okay, guys, so I'm in the bathroom, and just want to tell you guys what updated what's going on. So we have like an hour leave before we finish the training. Right now we just downloaded some stuff on our device, and what they did, they just did some little games, and they talk about how we can be better with customer service and all that good stuff, all that great stuff, and what's gonna be coming on in the future and stuff like that. We're gonna have a lot more aircrafts and how they're gonna be hiring more people for next month and next year. After I finish training, I have to drop two of my crew members. One of them is commuting back home, so I have to drop one at the hotel. One I have to drop at the airport, and then the other one I have to drop at the hotel because she's working with me on a flight tomorrow. Hey guys, so I am back home. I've been home for like a few hours now, but I was talking on the phone with my coworker. That took up a long time. That took a long time. But right now I'm preparing some meal for my 3-day trip tomorrow. It actually was a 4-day trip, but I got DORs. DORs are like when the company owe you days off, they code them as DORs. So I add that DOR on my last flight, and you only can add it either the beginning of your flight, even the beginning of your trip, or the end of your trip. So I add it at the end of my trip. And so it break my trip down to 3 days instead of 4 days, but I'm still being pay protected for a 4-day trip. So even though I'm not working 4 days, I'm still getting paid for a 4-day, and I'm only working 3 days. So this is gonna be a 3-day trip. Tomorrow's a long day. Like, my show time is like at 11 in the morning. I don't reach my destination until 11 p.m. at night, and then the time just changed. So it's like, yeah, the time changes. The time changed now, so it's gonna be a struggle for me. But I'm kind of, you know, as I said, I'm excited about the new iPads and stuff like that. I just have to figure out how to work it and stuff, and I have to charge it. And that's our required items that we have to bring on our flight every day. Is a must that we have to have. And they're super cute. And yeah, I met one of my coworkers that I have the whole line, two of my coworkers that I have the whole line with this month, and they were so happy. It's like, oh my gosh, I'm so happy we're flying together. It's gonna be great. And I was like, yes, queens, yes, it's gonna be great. So it was just fun just to see them, you know, in our little training thing. And then I ended up dropping one off at the hotel, which is not far from my house at all, like right down the street. So save her money with that. And then I'll see her tomorrow morning. One of my the one that we have the line together, she dropped that trip, so she's not gonna be with us on that trip. So she's gonna be with us on the next week trip. But you know, so yeah, I'm kind of excited with that. Now I already have my laundry done, so I'm gonna pack my bag, pack my food for the 3-day, and I really don't feel like bringing much food. Like, I'm probably just gonna bring some noodles with some hot water on it. Like, I don't really feel like bringing food, but I know I have to because I don't want to spend extra money for no reason. Definitely remember, guys, if you haven't subscribed, please go ahead and do so, guys, because in my videos I do, you know, tell you guys a little informative stuff for you guys, so you guys to learn and know and, you know, understand the flight attendant world. The way you should understand it before you apply to being a flight attendant, not be so surprised, you know, of things, because I get that a lot. Definitely check out my website. I add some more new products on my website. Is yeshoney.com. I put the link in the description box. You can follow me on Instagram. Is yeshoney boutique. on Instagram. You can purchase items there from Instagram. Always upload stuff there. And don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see y'all later. Bye, guys.